So welcome back again. Um, we having a long journey. Now it's day 30. I'm so proud of it. So the day 30 left is to do Git Hard Reset. So let's do together. Alright, so I will try to click the start button. So what is Git Reset? I want to explain a brief overview about the Git Reset. So I have a diagram right there. So in the Git repository, when we do Git Reset, the pointer will move to the head pointer, and then it will remove commits after target and keep or delete changes. So if we if we remove every commit, so we cannot recover it again. So if I do like Git reset hard C2, so it will remove C3 and C4. Now this is the first C1 and commit 1 and commit 2, commit 3, commit 4. This is the final head. Head is pointed on C4. So when we reset hard C2, when we go back to C2, so C3 and C4 will be deleted. They will be removed. So this is called Git reset. It will remove commit after target. And then the head pointer will lead to that specific commit after we do Git reset. So this is a brief overview of Git reset. So alright, so let me do that. So the Nautilus application development team was working on a Git repository. So repository name is this. That is present on storage server in Stratos DC. This was just a test repository, not actual repository. And one of the developers just pushed a couple of changes for testing. But now they want to claim this repository along with the commit history word tree. So they don't like to keep this testing repository commit. Here the developer make and testing commits. So they want to claim those commit history along with the commit history word tree. So they want to point back the head and the branch itself to a commit with a message. So they want to change the head direction to this commit with this message at data.txt find. So find below more details. So the first thing is we go to the storage server. So alright, so we use this password. Oh no, storage server name is Natasha. Alright, so we were trying to go to the Natasha app storage server and ATSH Natasha at STSTOR 01. Say yes. I paste the password. So right now we are on the storage server. So let me check this repository directory first. So alright, so we can check ls-ld. So the repository existing on the Natasha storage server. So first of all, we will change into root user. Alright, so now we will go that repository directory. And let me check git branch. And so now we are on the master branch, and also we only have master branch. So we will check git commit history using git log 1 line. So now this is the commit history. Now head pointer is pointing to this final commit 10, test commit 10, but we had to point this head pointer to this commit because this we had to do, right? So this commit hash value is this. So we go back this commit because here we had to point back the head to this commit, right? So how do we do this? So we had to use git reset the git commit history so that there are only 2 commits in the git commit history. So here IE initial commit and add data.txt file. So we will do git reset. So we will do git reset hard. So we use this commit hash value. Oh, I forgot one more dash. It's 2 dash. So we did it, and now we will check the key log one line again. So now we just only have, we remain 2 commits here, initial commit and add data.txt file. So that's the thing we're gonna do for this lab. And the second requirement is we have to also do to make sure to push your changes. So we do git push origin to the master branch on the master branch, and then we will do force because we did it hard reset. That's why we use force. Yeah, so we finish and then we check it out and click confirm button. Yeah, we successfully did it for the day 30 lab. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the day 31 lab.